The zombies are coming. The metro. We can get out. The government can do anything.
Imagine nakita mo yan 5 years later.
People are biting each other, ha?
Imagine nakita mo yan 5 years later.
Don't come back.
What? Help us.
Go straight away from the city.
Away na nga tayo sa city.
Wait naman. I think we're going to the city.
We're going in, pero... gentle and safe, skin-friendly, dedicated. Not just for base, great for you too.
This is so memorable. We will talk about this day for the rest of our lives. Whenever there is rain, we will think twice from now on.
Never ka mag-appoint ng booking.
Forget the hotel. This is totally unexpected.
Parang YouTube apology.
Ano pa ulit siya? Pwede na pala ako mag-YouTube because I have a content.
Wow! Yung mga vlog sa kotse.
Yeah.
Bulacan na tayo, di ba?
Bulacan na. Hindi, Pampanga pa rin. We're still in Pampanga.
We're stuck.
Shout out to the Pampanga Mayor.
Ayusin niyo po ang mga kalsada niyo.
Ayusin nyo na ako. Medyo tumayo-tayo na tayo sa ating mga upuan. Simulan na po nating ayusin
Ang Pampanga.
ang mga baha, tagulan na ako. Medyo kumilis-kilis na po tayo. Tama na ang samgyup, Yorme.
It's almost X place.
This is a suspense. It's like waiting for your death. You're in a death row and you're waiting for the day.
Grabe ka naman, Papa.
So, try na nga ako matindi. Kasi,
12 days, di ba?
di. It's unannounced yun, ate. Unannounced.
Ano na-announce?
Yun ang parusa sa kanila. Bukod sa death sentence, the fear of living every day. Because anytime, kukunin ka na sa kulungan mo. Tapos, yun, death sentence na. Death sentence na. Pero yung mismo yung execution.
Hindi dinedecide or sinasabi.
So brutal, di ba?
You live every day thinking when will you finally
Kaya
pass.
nga,
Si Mother.
Oo nga.
yeah.